Hi.
Hi.
What's today?
The night before Halloween.
What are we about to do?
Cut our pumpkin.
Okay, here they are. Okay, that's
Chop,
Emma's,
chop, chop.
and that's Dan's.
That's Emma's.
Emma's ready in her costume. Emma, what are we gonna do?
Chop, 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 chop. You're going to carve our diamonds.
And what kind of pumpkin are you gonna have?
Is he going to be sad or mad? Mad.
Okay, Dan, what's yours gonna be?
Mad.
Mad? Okay, so we're gonna have a mad-looking house?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Well, okay, so here they are beforehand. Wait, don't do it. We gotta dig them out first, and then we'll show you when we're... Okay, this is the creation. What are you doing, Dan?
We can start from here. I did it!
You did it? Emma, let's see your pumpkin. Show it to Mommy, okay? Dan, you're doing great! So what's that gonna be?
Here.
And did you do another one on the other side? Show me what it looks like. Oh, that's really cool. And then are you gonna make his face?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really neato.
Keep going, Dad.
Cool, all right. We're just stepping in. Emmy, where's your face? Show us your cat and stuff on the side.
Bottom. No, okay, no,
It's very hard to see.
Slow, Dan. Right up
Here's
on
the,
the
I
middle,
see the
on
kitty
middle,
cat.
middle.
Oh, it's cool.
Good.
And he's got some holes in his head, like a lantern. Emmy, look at me see your face. Emma,
What?
show me your face.
Wait.
Oh, that's Jeff.
Wait.
Sorry, Sig, I was taking a close-up of your hair. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, it's October 30th, 95.